Kuble pi baro kenikede do dash MEGHALAYA be pten subha pi baro shakatu kubor mata ka jan me. Shban pash ki kubor pe pnya pichwaya ki mat kongsan. Let jurib Menteri Kena Kesorkar Pedang UBL Verma ya kejeng menteri ki skim Kesorkar Pedang Ri-Bhoi ya keren halor kila penkentiu ya kerol kepah kejela. On penbet Kesorkar ya ketulap kinong hikai na duk benai kela lingkot ong menteri ketnak beli petiu bak lakmen Ri-Bhoi. Batai lupa ke VPP ban kelem ke NPP haswa ke election akhirja ke prada ke papin scam menyok thau sorkar. Yelek ke kongres ban penki imbiang ya ke seng haswa ke election JHDC ladat ban file ya palat hindriu punyau teli ki application na kebentar ki apkedai teli ki syuki on working president. Balik juga Menteri Rang Pak Duk Keri Narendra Modi ke lanot pemensau ha NLJP Hospital pentikna ban pensajai ke bedon keti ha ke jengja pentai kali ha Delhi. Mentai nekmi yaki kubor bebnya nak jelah. Menteri Kena Jong Kesorkar Pedang Bupet ya Ketenat Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution UBL Verma mentaksi ulakmi ya kejepenia jong ki skim belamang da Kesorkar Pedang Ri-Bhoi District per ulaya tai halor kilat kilenti ban kentiu ke roi kapar MEGHALAYA. Uni menteri ulaong bo menteri Rang Pak Duk Keri udon ke jengkit klik ke bejur ha ke ban kentiu ke than setai lamingi. Pada hajuk repor, ulah ai jengi ru ya kerukom sensyar jong menteri Rang Bak ke jela konrad ke sangma. Verma ulah pentikna berkesorkar pedeng, ke penbet penetrai lang, ringkat lang, berkesorkar jela, ha ke ban penkeladur ya ke MEGHALAYA.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी भी लगातार नॉर्थ ईस्ट के दौरे करते हैं। उसी क्रम में आज मैं इस मेघालय के रि-भोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आया हूं और ये सौभाग्य की बात है, यहाँ का आकांक्षी जिला है, एस्पिरेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट है और एस्पिरेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट को हम कैसे विकास की और रफ्तार तेज दे सकते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर कल से आकर के चाहे हमारी जो फ्री राशन की दुकानें होती हैं PDS बांटने की, उन पर मेरा जाना हुआ है। हमारे वन स्टॉप सेंटर पर भी जाना हुआ है। हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर जो होते हैं उन पर भी जाना हुआ है। इस तरह से लगातार मेरे विजिट हुए। तब अभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की समीक्षा बैठक हमारी DC साहब की नेतृत्व में की है और हमारे MLA साहब भी यहाँ पर हैं, बहुत ही लोकप्रिय MLA हैं और सभी ऑफिसर्स के साथ एक एक विषय पर हमने चर्चा की है और कैसे हम मेघालय और कैसे आगे बढ़े और भारत सरकार की योजनाओं का लाभ कैसे इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट के और मेघालय के लोगों को मिले, इसकी चिंता पूरी हमने की है और मैं कह सकता हूं कि हमारे DC साहब के नेतृत्व में इस जिले में बहुत अच्छा काम चल रहा है।
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih bak lakman Ri-Bhoi menta kesengi ulapan benar bak kesorkar kan penbet ya kerukom siu tulop nak menta kinong hikai ki thup beper ban pentikna ke jenglong khuat ba jenglong maringkat ya ke jeng siu bethamai on menteri kam ki bentana duk ke shitarik ukala lingkot la shimsnem uni menteri ula sngongo ikinong hikai ki bla long ki biaisha hajo ko por ula pentikna ban yai penlong ya ki jeng ekren halor kini ki jeng bat ban kentiu ya ke Puli Putih.
We hope that by 31st December we will able to come up with the new structured granulate or structured salary as the case may be, which will be implemented by the 1st of April. And this structure, as of now, we didn't touch about the deficit teachers as of now. After that, as of now, afterwards, I cannot say, but first we have to come into the meeting point regarding the restructure or especially regarding the structured granting aid or structured salary for those SSA and other and ad hoc and for teachers and so on and so forth.
Katbaga kam san himasima ka Meghalaya kadang don hapdeng ka jingele ban pinbet pinbiang bat ban pinbet hashwa ban pelong ke election shakin do barthauan ha usnam araja bupra ka Voice of the People Party klanang penjuria ka jingken tha jongka ya ka seng ka pasensya ka National People's Party but itu lupa bakan sa klem na kadaw ka jing perjungmut ka badon hapdeng hapo jongki hi Unong ay kitiyan jong ka VPP, u Dr. Bats Kemmerbo, ula ong ba ka jing kiw jong ka NPP ka day ka bami na ka jing kwan mentoy shimet. Bakila maham ba ka ni kan sa long ka daw ka ban sapin klem no yaki. Ula kintat ban keren halor ka jing her ka VPP, da ka baong ba ka seng ka klan ba Khasi ba Giant Hills, ba ula pinpaw ka jing so skem ba kan sa lapan sa tao sorka da ka jing kersyan jong ki MLA ka time.
To see the mood of the people is 2020-28 is for BPP. So we have no, no hesitation, and we have no doubt that people will repose faith on the BPP. NPP, you should remember that it is a political party full of people having their own respective individual desires. It is, you see, when they go to NPP, it's not so much about the service, but it is so much about power, so much about control of resources, so much about, enjoying the position. And therefore, in such a, political party, and especially when you have so many MLAs joining the party, definitely that the problem would have come out, and exactly what had happened. And when many MLAs they joined the NPP, I already foresaw the downfall of the party.
Halor ka jing so kya na ka jing shakano ba bon ki kam le tu ha ka jing thap vote ka Meghalaya Congress kala kentu ya ka sarkar ban pin ko bor ye ki dor bar shnong ban yarap ha ka ban pin shisha ki nong thap vote bat ban yada na ka jing le tu u secretary jong ka Congress ba Manuel Badwar ul ong ba ka ni ka sinjam kan pin klanya ka rukom pelong ya ka jing thap vote kham tam ha ba ka seng ka dang pelong ka campaign jong ka ha ka ri bro ko wei persha ka jing tu vote Ka Congress kala ng pinjur ya ka signature drive ha ka ba 10,000 mut ki brio na Meghalaya kladat bansoy kum kadak ka jing ajing kersyan.
I think it's very critical. So even at the state level, we have obviously pledged, as Ma'am is saying, it has come as a direction from AICC. We have done a pledge saying that we also will contribute to the voice that is against this vote chori. The power of the Darbar is still not recognized because under what is given to us, the rules and regulation, it is still saying that the Panchayati Raj, since we don't have a Panchayati Raj here, we had told him that we had to give more power to the Darbar. And this is not just being followed by the Congress, this is being followed by other political leaders also who were there in the meeting together with us. And we had given our suggestion, and we hope that the Election Commission of Meghalaya takes it forward. And he had pledged and promised us that he will definitely take it very seriously to give more power, so that at least we'll ensure that, the infiltration and so on and so forth, and the voters who are not eligible to be voters should not just get through and be able to vote.
Kat baki kam san perthai lanang thnem hashwa ke election jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hashim snem ka Meghalaya Congress kadang penkre na kabenta ka jungwan phabiang ka baklan ka working president ka Deborah Simara kala pentip ka seng kala yo pdiang palat nrio punyo tli ki application na kabenta arp kandai tli ki shuki ka bapenpau ka mensi bathmai ha pedang ki dekhot ban yo obyang ya ka kerdan ka bladu hari lom Garo Katbau Secretary Uba Manuel Badwar ulapan pau ka jing ngos kem baka jing ngo ju ki pat ba kala bak lebak hakalyang jong kaseng.
So we hopeful that many others will join. But however, by saying that people will join the party does not necessarily mean that everybody will join or will allow everybody to join, right? We'll also have to filter out depending on the the kind of people who are joining, depending on whether they are opportunistic in nature or they just joining the party because they firmly believe. Like for instance, when Mr. Zinid Sama joined, he joined out of goodwill, right? And he joined because he still has a love for the party.
And everybody, they are supporting, they are signing this Botchori Gadichor signature campaign. Till now, I think how many? 10,000 people they have already signed, they have supported. We have 29 seats. Okay. I think out of 29, I think application we receive 60 plus.
67.
67.
Kum kalat ban kintiu ka kot ka kya jong ki khilung ka jala mata kasi klap li perda ka National Newborn Week 2008 pada ka SANS campaign 2008 lani ka Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully campaign. Menilai persya ke jengpang pneumonia pat pan pendunai ke jeng yap jong ki khilung. Habuk crunch kelap patai kubor ki noktre jong ke SANS campaign kin pai khmat halor ke jeng la ban lap kham kloi ke jengpang bagarukam ai jeng sumar ki khilung ki bayo ke jengpang pneumonia lingba ke jeng ai jeng hikai ki frontline worker ke jeng penlong ki awareness drive ba ke jeng pentikna bandon ya ki dawai ki dashin ki bakongsan. Ya ke National Newborn Week la penlong na duk ka khatsan haduk ka arpuai terek unai wing halor ka phang pedeng. Newborn safety, every touch, every time, every baby. Kaban shim kia halor ka jing khakun ka basngai ka jing yadan ki knyang jing pang ba ka jing ai jing sumar ki khlung ki berang sukha kat kum ka thong jong ka sarkar bandai yada ye wei pai wei khlung.
Programs related to child health. First is the National Newborn Week and second is the SARS campaign. As we know that pneumonia is a major killer disease amongst the children under 5 years old, and one child dies every 43 seconds due to pneumonia. So it's our effort and endeavor that through this program and campaign we want to create maximum community awareness and participation.
Social awareness and action to neutralize pneumonia successfully, which is starting from 12 November to 28 February 2026. The SARS campaign, it aims to accelerate action to reduce childhood pneumonia deaths, one of the leading causes of under 5 mortality. The campaign focuses on improving awareness, early identification and management of childhood pneumonia at the community and at the facility levels. And the key activities under SANS include the training of the healthcare workers and the frontline workers on pneumonia management, including the ASHAs, the Anganwadis and the CGHAs, the community level awareness drives through the VHNDs or the Village Health Nutrition Day and the outreach sessions, the ensuring uninterrupted availability of essential supplies such as pulse oximeters, oxygen and antibiotics at health facilities, promoting care-seeking behavior among parents and caregivers, strengthening the referral linkages for severe cases.
Chiski hadim belayo jamin la pelat no ye kisah ngut kino yalam jong ka MEGHALAYA Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association bekentup yu President uba Muslandar Marngar uba Atebor Marngar uba Thrangbor Lingdo bod uba Hebor Pariat na Shillong District Jail hinin ka janmin. Layo i bagi bayang hasem bagi nong kershan bagi layo pedang buromi ki habar jong ka patok. Kini kinong yalam kila syakem min hakasantarik mentau benai habo ke MMPO Act bat ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita da ka jengkin no ba kila thombor rakbor ba ka jeng temu ban penyam. Ki nong tre jong ka GHADC kila aku beliau menteri rangba ke jalau kontrak kisang mahadin bagi layo priang ketulop pesis nem ke jongki kabla penkut no ya ke jengki ke jongki halor katulop basa kabla sau pusau benai ki nong tre jong ka GHADC kila sedang banet tre biang na du benai risau hadi ke jengki na ka jeng tuklar jong ke sarkar lala ben pelat ya ketulop ke pesis nem Hakajingelang pat u Conrad Sangma menchim tayo la pentikna hakinong tre. Baya katulop badang sa Shen on the seal depno.
First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya for release a 1-year pending salary, and I would like to thank those who support us on our agitation, opposition NDCs, or Garo Hills NGOs, Nokmas, Civil Society, Mothers Union, our NGEA leaders who lead agitation, public of all over the Garo Hills.
We also meet Chief Minister Dr. C.K. Sangma on Friday at his residence to express our gratitude, and he was very welcoming, and also he added that the remaining pending salary will be released without any issue.
Ka office jong ka merayova Bharat nong stan hine kasi kala penlong ka March for Unity kumshi bentaban rakhe kelingko sika ka bashis pasan pojong usater Ri-Bhoi Patel hanong stan. Haba ajeng kran hakani kasngi UMLA karam Briger ngam URG movement ulaya ro e kasin jam bala shim na ka bentaban penki imbiang ya ka jing tli ba ka jing trelang hakari hapadeng ki samla. Da ka bakintu ki khna puli ban phai khmat sha ka puli puthi ban yarap ban kintiu kari. Ya kini ke program kabla pelong hapok ka ek Bharat Shishra Bharat ka penpau ya ka jingan le jong Sardar Patel mante song ya keri kabla penyaha bat ka thong jong ka Viksit Bharat bat ka Atma Nirbhar Bharat ya ka rally ka bakhado labo bat pelong ka khat kandai turik unai we.
Deputy Prime Minister gets proud with Mahatma Gandhi. He had sacrificed himself and he followed the principle of Mahatma Gandhi, and he served for India to integrate all 500 provinces or states to integrate together, to bring together India right now. So he is the person who has sacrificed many things. He had communalism. He don't like drugs, ethics. He don't like alcoholism. I know that one. And then he had all this caste discrimination. He wants to love together so that we can bring progressive and development of the country like that.
Kum ko way na kisin jam ban kentiu ke jingsngai ban jingyai bet haki jaka pat ba ka local taxi owners and drivers association Nongpoh nen kasi kilapin benai ka jaka penyeng taksi Nongpoh kum ka jaka bemdai bendi duma hapo ka kot per act hajar lai ka association kilapin mi iki ID card bat ong ba ka long ka bokong san na benta ki nong nya kali na Nongpoh bernihat jorbat ki he officer kelamaham ting persya ki bapin kenya ka an balakan tu ye kinong song kali bekin pan ki ID jong kinong nya haswa banet jinglen.
Kalian ka asosian ka jungi mulasim ya kane ka sinjam lengba ka jungdon ka jungi ya kata ka jingkitli ka bekrau kamtam ka bayadei bab ka kot ka kya kumbangi barok ngitim ka jingdi rumah kawanra sisa ia kata ka jingma kamtam ya ka kot ka kya ka jungi om bakat penbu jingma tang yingi ki badi ya ka henrei wat ia ki long kemi ki barmet ki kentei ki kena bat baru ki bayat bayang lengba kane ka stan namar kumbangi tip ba ka jingdi rumah ka jungi ka permi pedam lengba ka tu ka pedam ka bangi permi mangi ki pajba ki jungi passengers ki jungi ki long kemi ki long pa ki kun samla ki bayat bayang nang nena stan kakta wat ya kiro dai halor kata ka benta bat ka jing snokya ka bakrau ngilasim ya kane ka sinjam ban declare ya kane ka stan kun ka no smoking zone.
Ka 4th District Level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program Araja Prasan Lapli Perdamenta kasnya Parish Hall Nongpoh hadi ka jingjop pan pendep ya ki jingile kai ha ki block level haba ajeng kren UMLA ka Nongpoh uba Mineral Boards mulai ro eka sap ka pong jong kinong isimbenta baraka juk ka por ula penbenai ki kusnam song pisa na kebentai ki nong job ken tape shinrang. Kani kelimpung balai singi linter, kedon ke jing kop, kum karwa ke siau, kasyat ke masti, bat kiwe ke jing lekai. Kaban long ru kum kerensa na kebentai ki kena ki bedon sap, ki balak pat ben mikmat na kebentai ke jela, bat keri.
Student, the participant development academic scheme. This is an example in which each and every one of us we should follow. And as a mark of encouragement to each and every one of you, I am giving 20,000 to both of them after this program. This is the beginning to encourage. It is not that for everyone who will perform on the stage and sing, you have to compare. They have really did very well. They performed very well.
Ka District Disaster Management Authority Ri-Bhoi mentaksi kelap play ka batch ka baan ka mentaka jing hikai bah nyosngi linter hapo ka yuva of the Mitra scheme Nongpoh. Haba ai jengkreng ka Additional Deputy Commissioner I Kong B Rani ila pensyai halor ka bentaba kong sanjo ki volunteer ka yuva of the Mitra kumagi por badon jing jing ma. Ila ong ba ka jing pen kop bor ki samla de ki jing nang jing tim ba de ki sap ki pong kani rap shibun bat penlong ka imlang sa alang ka baklan bat ka basngan. Kini ke jing ai jing ikai ke bankut haduk ka khat kendai terik unai wing ke kentop ke jing wan ni shim benta jing ki brio na National Service Scheme bat ka pai kmat kham tam halor kumno bat pen krek la dawan ke jing ling shop kamariang bat ban ai jing arab bat pandon ke jing trelang na ka shnong ka thau.
The Yuva Apna Mitra scheme represents a visionary effort by the Government of India and NDMA to train and empower youth as community first responders during disasters and emergencies. So we all know that India is a country highly vulnerable to a range of disasters, floods, landslides, earthquakes, cyclones and even fire incidents. While the government agencies and the emergency services play a crucial role, it is often the local community, the first people to respond to such emergencies who are playing the greatest role, the far greatest role, and who make the greatest difference in saving lives during such emergencies and also in reducing the damage.
Mendangin ipash ki kubor hagatan jete lamingi. Menteri Rangba ka Tripura, Dr. Manik Saha mentakasi ulai shim benta ka jengelang bat Menteri Katanak Dona, Ujoiti Raditya M. Sindhya, ban kmi bina halor ka Matabari Tourist Circuit Project. Kani ka circuit ia ka balatirwa ban ai sau met sansngi ka jengyak lenti ka ban kentop ka jengyak lingba ka Gartala, Nirmahal, Sipahijala, Udaipur, Chambimura, bat Dumbur. Kum ka jengpin I nam ia ka jeng itanat ka jela Tripura. Usindia ula pentikna, ban penyo ke jengkershan pisa ke sorkar pedeng ya kani ke projek, ban kentiwi ki kam jengok kai bat kilat ai kam ai jam. Mentangin pash ki kubor hakari. Menteri Rangpadu Kari Narendra Modi ne kesngi ula Lecha Lok Nayak J Prakash Narayan Hospital mane kendu ki brio ki pemensau ha ka jingjap thai kali ka belajar hanong ba jong kari ha kesngi ningkong beladep. Menteri Rangpadu Kari ula Lech bran syakate ka hospital tang Shumar Yahyar na Lingsun ha Delhi na ka jingwan ka ba arsingi ka jong sebutan but Menteri Rangpadu Kari ula tho ha kerensan social media bo unsa pen saja ya ki badon kiti ha kani ka jing subut. Chief of Army Staff General Upinder Dwivedi ne kesngi ulai wer bet pendon kam ya ki jing start technology ya ka jing sam jing tip halor ka rukom long kamariang baka jingi shimbenta jo ki rokshok shnong kari haki kam thma ka jok ka bamenta. Haba ajeng kren ha Delhi Defense Dialogue arajar apresan ka balalong hanong ba Delhi ula ong baki shipai ki pai khmat sha kata ka baki ong haktin no way. Human centric and next generation microchip technology haringkat baka jing start AI, robotic but cyber tools na kabenta ki gray zone warfare. Ula penbenaru baka sambia mobile system jo ki shipai ka bala pendon kam ha operation sindur on sa kentioshen shakawat ka baar.
That is the newest technology coming in and has already been brought out that the platform alone is not relevant. It has to have number of layers supported by this democratized phenomena, that is AI, quantum, robotics, auto system, DEW, that is direct energy weapons, cyber tools, etc. Especially in the gray zone, these play a very important role. So the platforms may be there for a conventional when you have a contact and kinetic battle.
Mentai ni pai shiki kubor na kaleng pertei. Ka Presiden Kari ka Drupadi Murmu minta kasi kala penlong jeng krem bu Presiden ka Botswana uduma boko ha Gaborone. Benda kren halor ke benta bukongsan ha pedeng kini ki art ligiri. Lai soiru ia ke MOU bandon ke jeng tray lang ha kokot ke kia ba ke jeng penmi ki dawai dashin. Komisi benta ban penpau ke jeng songu Kari Botswana kan ai sompash ke India ya ki prateli ki kla thapsim ha bok project Cita. Haka jinglet yuk kejat jongka ke murmu kala ajeng krench ki dekot jongka parlimen ki nong India ki besah Botswana bat kala let jengok ru ye ki jaka bedon ya ki riti kolshor. Kini kalong kesien ke benikong baka India kali yuk kejat syaki artli kiri ki bedon ha Afrika.
Our discussions covered the full range of bilateral, regional and global issues of mutual interest. We reaffirmed the deep and friendly ties between India and Botswana founded on shared democratic values and mutual respect. We agreed to expand cooperation in key sectors, including trade and investment, agriculture, renewable energy, health, education, skill development, defense, and digital technology. We witnessed the signing of an important agreement which will help in providing easy access of good quality and affordable Indian medicines to the citizens of Botswana. I also conveyed to President Boko India's decision to send essential ARV medicines as requested by government of Botswana.
Menteri Rang Padu Kari Narendra Modi ne kasing ulai kendo ya usiam berim kebutan ujik me singye wangchuk baklai play perdalang ke program Kala Chakra Empowerment hatimpu komisi bentajo ke Global Peace Prayer Festival arhajar arpusan. Haka jingle jingok ke jong ula pelong ke jing krem usiam jik me wangchuk halor ke boarding ke jing dari ke jing start technology. Ula pelat ru ya ke punat Sangchu 2 hydro power project. Bat penbena ya ke Hatisar Immigration Checkpoint. Menteri Rang Padu Kari ula ajeng rap pisah ke bas 1,000 kelur tingkah syakari Bhutan. Bat dia soiru ya lightly kisah sekolah ke bapenpau ke jingjeli ke jing trailang hapadang kini ki artli kiri. Menteri Ketenat Kambari USJ Shankar ulai kendo ya ke Menteri Ketenat Kambari ke Canada ke Anita Anand ha ke jingle isim benta ha ke jingle langki Menteri Ketenat Kambari ke G7 ha Niagara ke ban kemiknya ya ke jengkiu hapok ke India Canada roadmap 2000 Ula penlong ru ya ke jingle keren bagi Menteri Kambari ke France, Brazil, UK ba Germany halo ke jing trailang hakikam kai pateng ke jing start technology kirukom yadari bakajik sngan ha kepertei kini kejing lang kapai khmat ban pen klanya kejing day jong ka India bat ki wei kiri ke Europe bat ban ya sam kejing ajing mut halor ka roi ka par jong kiri Indo Pacific bat Middle East mentang ni pet yaki khubor ya lekai Hak limpung jong ke FIDE World Cup 2008 kebelalong ha Goa ki Grandmaster ke India u Arjun Erigaisi upi Hari Krishna u Kartik Venkataraman but u A Pragnananda kilaya khat but kilai le kai persha yaki ha ke jengkun ke beningkong jong ke round ke basau u Erigaisi u lai khat ba u Peter Leko tang ha po arpo sin jam kat ba u Hari Krishna u Kartik but u Pragnanda kila kiru kila hapani sami ki point hang kajeng kun ke penting e kini barok sawut kino yelek kai ke India ki khmik lenti ben job ke jeng kun ke ba minta ke ski ben poish ke pre quarter final timinta pat ni pe ke jeng long jaman ke swim beng hak keleng ki benta jong ke jela Ha tura ke jeng krek kelong khat lai degree Celsius but ke jeng shit kelong ap kandai degree Celsius ke jeng skam ka haw meta ke ski kelong saupun rio na ke shispa ha ba pai pat chonong ba shillong ke jeng krek kelong 10 degree Celsius ke jeng shit kelong ap lai degree Celsius ke jeng skam ka haw meta ke ski kelong saup kandai na ke shispa kat ba jo wai pat ke jeng krek kelong khat wei degree Celsius ke jeng shit kelong ap degree Celsius ke jeng skam ka haw meta ke ski kelong saup pra na ke shispa ke suin beneng kan rang ha tura shillong ba jo wai Shwan poi shu bukut jong tup khabar pe biang sai si ni ke mat bakong san Let jurub menteri kena ke Sarkar Pedang UBL Verma ya ke jeng menteri ya ke skim ke Sarkar Pedang Ri-Bhoi ya keren halor kilat pen kentiu ke roi ke par ha ke jela On penbaik ke Sarkar ke tulop ke nong hikai na du benai ke lalingkot ong menteri ke kena perlu kuthi uba ala kemen Ri-Bhoi Batai lupa ke VPP ban kelem ke NPP haswa ke election 2008 prada ke pepin scam beniok thau Sarkar. Yale ke Kongres ban pin KM ya ke seng haswa ke election GHEDC lada pen file ya palat riu punya utli application na ke bentaki ap kendai li suki on working president. Balik jengok Menteri Orang Bak Duk Keri Narendra Modi ke lanat ke Beminsau LNJP Hospital. Tentu kena pensajai ke Badan Peti hak jengjap hei kali hadali. Ti perlok tu lapoi sebukut jong tup kubor jengi mata ke janmit haduk mindi syam yang berpilah syai ke sini. Kublai pi barok.